De Bayang Karista, kayo ang bida.
Gates open, they're up and racing. Streetwire draws for your lead. Red Hot Raymond moving up by the Elza Pima. Laguna comes next, then followed by Talisman, and Star Avenger is the early trailer. Heading towards the half-mile pole, Red Hot Raymond takes command, followed by Zapima. Streetwire shuffle back in third, then followed by Laguna. Talisman. Star Avenger pass approaching on the outside as they rounded the 600. Red Hot Raymond. Streetwire once again trying to get closer and stronger on the outside. Now moves up to grab the lead. Streetwire, Red Hot Raymond, Zapima, Laguna closing in. So a Star Avenger. Talisman is running by the rail, and down the stretch they come. Streetwire, Talisman in between runners. Red Hot Raymond, Laguna, Star Avenger, but it's still Streetwire followed by Laguna. Talisman is by the rail. Streetwire, Laguna is by the rail. Streetwire, Laguna takes up the running and winning the race over Streetwire.